Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whoa! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video. Still in Vienna, Austria. We're just exploring more sites, having a little look around today, walking from our hotel. We've just had some breakfast and now we're hitting up the first stop. So for breakfast we had Pam got a chocolate croissant, I had a horseradish, ham and cheese, like a long sandwich. It was really nice. I asked them to toast it, and that was from Unplanned bakery just round from our hotel. We're just walking down this street now, Humboldt off gas. So we've just bought our tickets for the tram. Just waiting for them to print. Oh, there they are.
There you follow.
And the beautiful church as we're getting this elevator down. That was it, first Austrian underground experience. Pleasant, everyone's so nice. This is just a church. Can you believe it? So this is the St. Francis of Assisi church. Look at this, the fresh concrete. Kid in me would have been loving that. They're everywhere. Whew. Right, we're leaving St. Francis of Assisi Church now. Pam's found us somewhere else to go. Where we're going next?
Hundertwas House?
We're going to
Hundertwasser House.
We're going to Hundertwasser House next.
It's like an apartment block that an artist built.
We're going to a nice apartment block that an artist built next. We're just going to get the underground back up and we'll show you when we get
It's
there.
like a famous site, we're not just going to a random housing association.
Let's go. That was our tram there and we're in a new place. There it is, Hundertwasser village. And there it is from the street side, a little cap underneath. It's quite a cool area. Right, we head on to the next place now, the Belvedere Palace. Let's go. Look at that, just pulling a rabbit out of a hat. Magic trick shop. Ship coming off the roof. Okay, we've made it to Belvedere Park. My hat just blew down the street and Pam went chasing after it right in front of the Daniel Hotel. So now it's extra tight. That was pretty funny, I guess. Look at these gates. Wow. Look at this. Woo! That is stunning. Look at this place. Sorry about the wind, but just take a look. The water, the palace, wow. So we're just at the Belvedere Palace now. When the Sunderland and Newcastle played and the Newcastle fan punched the horse. The statue to commemorate that moment. It's nice to see this. We've just walked around the back now into the gardens. Have a look at this. Wow. Look Right, we're back off the metro, left Belvedere Palace. We're coming to drop some shopping off, then go to Lidl and get some waters for the room. Okay, so we just came back to the hotel because we had a book. Where we're going tomorrow when we check out of here. We've arranged to go to Ljubljana tomorrow on the Flixbus, 5 hours. So that's what we're doing in the morning, heading over to the train station, which is down here. And we're going to get the bus from there to Slovenia, third new country of this trip. Pretty good so far. So we're just having a little explore around. We've came across this church. Let's go and have a look. So we're just getting some food on our last night and we're up in a bit of a different area tonight. We've been into this church up here, that's pretty cool, but look around. Seeing this queue for a doner, so we've joined it because it's obviously good. Finally got the kebab. They had no dirhams left, so I just got this sandwich. Look at the queue for the kebab place, it's still going. That kebab was nice, it was probably 8 out of 10. That queue was crazy though. Then head back towards the train station, see where we get the Flixbus from in the morning, and then head back to the hotel, get everything packed. Right, we're walking down to the bus station now, find out where the Flixbus goes from tomorrow. But that's 3 capital cities we've done in 4 days tomorrow. It's a pretty good haul so far. Trying to find this Flixbus location has proven a bit of a challenge. Now this is the bus station behind us and there's more over here, but for some reason it's pointing us to back over there. Right, so this is the map.
I've got tomorrow's.
This is the map of the Flixbus. These are the arrivals. Departures, sorry. But it only goes up to 3 AM. So we should get an updated one tomorrow. So that is the bus stop we need in the morning. And just for reference, there's the train station here. So we're good to go in the morning with our luggage. Woo. Just back at the hotel now. Gonna get packed, get everything ready for tomorrow, and then we're staying in there again, but in Ljubljana. Same brand, B&B hotel, really nice hotels. There's the reception, dog friendly as well. Breakfast room, chill out area there, breakfast room in there. Right, we're just back in the hotel now. Gonna quickly get this video edited, have a shower, wash my hair, and then all packed for tomorrow for our 5-hour bus journey down to Ljubljana. So come along for that, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. The tram comes. Look at this guy behind us. Actually, I didn't even realise he was there. I'll stand with this backdrop instead. So 5 more minutes until our tram comes. We're heading back towards the road.